Hey, this is Brad with WTI. I like to get things done, and I like to get them done fast and well, and cleaning is another thing that I like to do fast and well. And the Shark Vertex Duo Clean helps me do that. What I like about it is the rolling brush. It doesn't constantly get hair wrapped up in it, which is nice. Because that's usually my job, is to do that maintenance bit so that the roller keeps working. And this one, I don't have to worry about doing that. It folds up in some neat little angles where you can get under stuff. The suction's good, and it folds up too to store, so that way it's not constantly falling over when you're trying to store it, because it is a little top heavy. Yeah, so that's what I like about the Shark Vertex Duo Clean, and that's my point of view.